if you go in the Kagnis, same thing. We have all the filet mignon steak. It is also the certified Angus beef, and we have lobster on the menu. So welcome. See you in the specialty restaurant. Now I hand over to the teppanyaki chef. He will show some how to make the sushi, and we have some sushi restaurant on deck 12 as we mentioned, and same thing on teppanyaki is also on deck 12. Yes. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, he's my nephew.
Oh.
I'm all the way back all the way to LA just to come and see him.
Okay, that's that.
Too far, huh?
Come.
Right, you're ready. Okay.
Thank you.
Excuse me? Can I?
So.
Hello, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
How's your first day cruise here?
Super.
Sleepy?
Yeah.
Alright. This morning I will show you how to make sushi. Sushi, California roll, sushi nigiri. Alright, to make the sushi California roll, we have a wasabi here. This wasabi is very spicy and also sweet. Who like wasabi? Who likes sushi here? 1, 2, 3. Alright. I will show you how to make hamburger. Okay. We have a ginger here. Ginger, pickled ginger. If you experience some rupsy, go to sushi bar and eat some ginger. It's a #1 mitigation in seasickness. Slice avocado. Here. Medium size of avocado. Mango. And guess what's this? No, it's a Japanese eggplant. And to make the California roll, we have a crab stick. It's a surimi. It's an imitation crab. This is safe for the pregnant woman who will enjoy the sushi. Wakame, seaweeds, vegetable. Sushi rice. To make the sushi rice, you need to add some rice wine vinegar, sugar, and salt. Then boil it until the salt and sugar dissolve. Then combine the Japanese rice and the sushi vinegar. Then mix it into room temperature. After 15 minutes, you can make some sushi California roll. Okay, let's start now to make the California roll. First of all, wash first. Happy. I have a gloves here. And Japanese mayonnaise. I use Japanese mayonnaise to make the California roll. And to moist my hands, prevent sticky from rice. Okay, start now. I have a Japanese rice, sushi, nori. This is dry seaweeds. Grab a small amount of sushi rice, boil it up. Put across the sushi nori on top, then spread it. Japanese mayonnaise. Slice cucumber. Slice crab stick. and sliced avocado. And I have a rolling mat here. You need to cover with a plastic cling wrap your rolling mat to prevent sticking from rice. Put the sushi nori on top of the rolling mat. Then roll it, tapping it firmly. Then roll it forward. Press on the side. After all, this is a shape of the California roll. And I have a very sharp knife here. This is a very sharp knife. I bought this in Valparaiso. $5. Buy one, take one. No, it's made from Japan. Slice your California roll into 8 equal pieces. Set them aside. No, this is my first day here. Alright, I have a salmon nigiri here. You look. I make salmon sushi. Sushi is a combination of raw seafood and sushi rice. To make the sushi nigiri, you need some sushi rice and raw seafood. For example, salmon, tuna, ika, tuna, any seafood from sushi. Okay, to make the sushi nigiri, I have a sliced salmon here and a small amount of sushi rice. Put at the center of the seafood. And twist it until the sushi rice and seafood are combined. And I have a heavy shrimp here. Squeeze it. And this is my creation. I have seaweeds here. Seaweeds, you like some seaweeds? Oh, it's a mild spicy seaweed. And crab stick. It's a combination of Japanese mayonnaise and crab stick. And after all, this is my special sushi.
Wow, very nice.
And now I will show you how to cook in teppanyaki grill. Who tried the teppanyaki? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright.
Oh.
Teppanyaki is a iron grill that the chef cooked in the flat grill. Then they will show some Japanese exercise, and they cook the seafood, vegetable with a Japanese fried rice. Alright. Wake up call. Japanese exercise first. These are very... Don't do this at home. Very dangerous. Alright. This is my Japanese exercise every day. Oh. o'clock, 5:30 for the teppanyaki. For the sushi, we're open at 6 o'clock p.m. until 10 o'clock p.m. And also Caldas Bistro, they open at 6 o'clock. So see you there.
Yeah.
My name is Ferdy. Guys, free taste the lobster. Free taste? Yeah, free taste. And that's
Bring it home.
That's right.
Beachside breakfast.
That's right. We have a taste here.
Try. Thank you. Kind of spicy ginger. Yes, and may I take a bite here? It's too beautiful. It is, it's really great. Sushi, I learned in Japan. I work in Japan, Philippines also. Where? How long? In Japan and the Philippines. How long? For 5 years in Japan and 8 years in the Philippines. So in Japan, did you only make rice for 5 years? For 2 years. For 2 years. Wow. I learned from some friends who are also chefs. They said they spent a long time learning to make the rice. Just to perfect the rice. Okay, someone else has ruined it. Okay, so now I go for the. Why does everybody get it free? I'll ask the other. Oh, okay. Okay. All right.
I was trying to get your attention to stop it.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, man.